Hi everyone, it's Ruby. This is the one who ordered for Ella. She's letting me choose everything and her favorite color is purple. 1 file folder. Plus 1 more. One notebook. Plus 1 more. One clear pouch. Plus 1 more. Two highlighters. One pen. Plus 1 more. One memo pad. Plus 1 more. One sticky note. Plus 1 more. One sticker. Plus 2 more. One keychain. One mini charm. Plus 3 more. One plush charm. Plus 1 more. One mirror. One wallet. One card holder. One hair clip. Let's substitute it for this claw clip. Plus 1 more. Two bracelets. Plus 1 more. That's everything, Ella. I hope you love everything I chose for you. Thank you so much.